How to get red color on fail and green color on pass in Excel. As you can see, we have the names of some students. We have score of these students, and we want to make a condition that says that if these students over here have scoring over 50, that then they deserve to get pass. We are going to type equals if. At logical test position, we type G2cell is greater than 50. That's mean the score of this student is greater than 50 points. At value if true position will be pass in quotation. In case the G2cell is less than or equal 50 point, that's mean the student is fail. In this case, at value if false position will be fail in quotations. And now we can double click over here to make formula for all below cells in this table. Next, we get green color on the cell contain word pass. We select the cells which you want to get green color. In this case, we are going to select all cells in this table to get green color line which contain word pass. Next, we go to conditional formatting, select new rules, click the last line over here. Then we type equal, select any cell in status column. Don't forget press F4 2 times to lock columns, type equal pass in quotation mark. Then press enter on the keyboard to finish the formula. Click to format button over here. We are going to change the color to green. Then when we hit OK one more time, as you can see, it's your turn all the pass to green. And now like I said, we are going to do everything again one more time. Go to conditional formatting, select new rules, hit use the formula to determine which cells to format, go to over here and type equal signal, select anything cell in status columns. I select H2. Don't forget press F4 2 times to lock status columns, then type equal fail in quotation mark. Select the format button to change the color to red. Next, please hit OK and OK again to finish. It's done. If you change the point in mark columns, the status is automatic changes fail or pass. If the status columns is pass, the line will automatically changes to green. If the status columns is fail, the line will automatically changes to red. It's useful when everything's will be automatic. I hope this help. Thanks for your watching.